guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today a video is going to be coming to you about a rug pads that I have. These are actually going to hold my rugs down. I have some new rugs. Let me show them to you. In the bathroom. And I also did this to my new rug that I had in the living room too. I had a big area rug. It kept moving all around like this. So you see how this move around? I'm going to show you how you can avoid that. You can purchase these from Amazon. I will apply you with the company that I got this from. It is the Rug Non-Slip Gripper. It don't say the name on here, but I will provide it with to you. Please ignore my thumb. I actually wound up cutting my finger trying to open up a package a couple of days ago, so please excuse that. But what you're going to do, they come in 6, 8, 12, things like that. But for the rug, you don't really need. Depends on how big your rug is. But I got the 6 because I got 2 rugs. So let me get this out. Hold on one second. Okay, just pull it out. And again, like I said, I think I got 6 grand total. And what I'm gonna do is I'm about to turn the rug on the opposite side. And I'm going to put, since this is my bathroom rug, I'm gonna try to put one right here and on the other side. I should not have to put them on the ends, but if I find that it's still moving around, then that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go ahead and take this off. And you just peel the back just like you would a sticker. I probably chose the wrong time to try to do this, especially with my finger not being 100. I might have to come off and show you guys how, because y'all know how I feel about it. It's just, I can't get it. Oh, God. And it's not hard to peel. Like I said, it's because my finger got cut and I got that thing. So you just take it back like this. And you let you put the sticky stuff right that way. And wait, remember I said I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna do it right here. And I'll put another one right on the opposite side. Okay, again, you put the sticky part the opposite way and you just put it where you want to lay it. And this is exactly where I want to lay it. And then you'll see that it does not move. And even over time, it does not move. You see how it doesn't move? So I'm telling you guys, if you are having problems with your rugs moving, try that. And all I did was put one right here, put the sticky stuff to the actual rug, how I got it, the sticky stuff, just lay it right there. And there you have it. My rug would not move. So if you have a rug, go ahead and try this. Hopefully that helped. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and do this other one real quick. And if you find that the rug is still moving, then just put it on the corners, because that's really what I did to my other one downstairs. So buy you enough so you can be able to fit each on the corner. So just again, pull it off and attach the sticky stuff right there. And then I'm also going to put some sticky stuff, just kind of like there, and just turn it off and give it, just put it where you want it. And there you have it, a rug that don't move. Yay! Okay, bye guys. Just the FYI, I did wind up putting it on each corner. So get enough for each corner, okay? You can try to see if it'll work right here, but I just put it on each corner just to make sure. It's better to have too much than not enough. So make sure you count out how many you need, okay?